Okay, now we'd like to make an introduce for our defibrillator monitor. Firstly, we make an introduction for the spare parts. This one is the 5-lead ECG cable, grounding line, power supply source, cable for connection to AED pans, ECG electrode, paper, handles, and AED pans. Okay, now we make an introduction for our device. For this section, it is used for the monitor. And for this knob, you can choose the monitor, turn on or off, AED, and menu. And for these buttons, it is used for defibrillator. And these buttons are for operation. Now we turn on the device, put the power source and turn on. Enter the monitor. Now it shows lead off, which means that we need to connect the ECG cable. Now we connect the ECG cable. And in order to demonstrate to the customers, we use our analyzer. We connect it for LL, RA, B, RL, LA. Here select ECG. Okay, then they will show the ECG view on the screen. And they also have the printer on the other side. If the printer is open, not closed, they will show no ruler. And because there's no paper, so it shows no paper. And now we put the paper in the device. Press print to print the report. For the print length and speed, you can enter to settings. Alarm print to set the print. And press home to back. For more information, please read our user manual. And this one is for the monitor model. Now we turn off and enter to the menu.
Check the electrode.
Well, it will show the handles. Then we need to use our handles. Now we make an introduction for our handles.
Check the electrode.
This one is used for the adult, and press this button to pull up.
Check the electrode.
The small one used for the children.
Check the electrode.
And they have 3 buttons. For the yellow button, it is for charge, and the 2 red buttons used for shock.
Check
Now
the
we connect our handles to the device.
Check the electrode.
For this screw, it is down. This one is up.
Check the electrode.
And to use the handles, you just need to press the yellow button to charge. And actually, we usually do not use the energy 360. We use less energy to select it.
Shock cancel.
Such as 10 joules. And to have a self-test, just press yellow button.
Stand clear.
And when it is red, then press the 2 red button to shock.
Shock deliver.
And there's one thing we need to remind the customer. After press the charge, please do not put the handles together to shock, because it is very dangerous and maybe damage the device because of short circuit.
Check the electrode.
So if you want to demo, then just put it to the device to show.
Shock.
And now it shows shock cancelled, because if you do not press shock within 30 seconds, then it will cancel automatically. And press charge once again. You also can press this arm to cancel the shock. And this one is for the handles. We also can use the AD pens in manual model. Just press the cable for a connection to AD pens, and also press the screw down and this up.
Check the electrode.
And connect this to the AD pens. Now, for the demonstration, we use our analyzer. Just connect to this line and connect it to our analyzer.
Check the electrode.
For the red, press apex,
Check
and
the electrode.
blank for stereo. And change to defibrillator.